G'day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Boreal21 from Agua Canyon. So stay tuned. I have opened it already. Does look like a pretty nice saw. It's well built. Take it out of the box. Does come in 4 different colors. A couple of different handle types. Now, you want to make sure you got your hands clear there because she locks into place pretty good. You know, that's a pretty stiff saw. It's got a thumbs up for that. Let's go test it out. So this is going to be the first cut for this saw. I've had it for a few weeks, but I've been saving it. And I was going to start building a bush camp, but my father's in the hospital, so we've been doing that for 2 weeks. It's kind of stressful. Hopefully we figure out what's wrong with him. The weather's been absolutely friggin' retarded for over a week anyway. I'm waiting for a good day with some sun. It's just not happening. So let's put this to the test. Boreal21 from Agua Canyon. This was given to me by the Wooded Beardsman. So big shout out to him, big thank you to him and Agua Canyon. Take that off. Now this is a piece of soft maple, so actually, you know what? That cut's pretty damn good. I was a little leery about the saw teeth, but that cut's pretty freaking good. I like it. I can imagine what the good saw blade does. This is just the all-purpose one. I'm impressed. First impressions, I like it. It went through that, I don't know, maybe 5 inches. Went through that pretty good. All right, we'll test her out some more. Take a quick look at how it opens and closes here. You basically just have to let it fall loose. Turn it around. It's gonna have a little clip here. You're gonna want to put it in that indent. Make sure your fingers are well clear because it snaps in there pretty good. I like it so far. I've only used it for, you know, a couple cuts, but works pretty good. We'll see how long the teeth last. Made out of aluminum, so it's nice and light. Very compactable. You can take that pretty well anywhere with you, I'd say. You can set it up and take it down less than a second once you get used to it. You know, maybe 2 seconds. So if you want to grab one of these, check out the link in the description. I'll throw that in there for you. It's Boreal21. So thanks again to the Wooded Beardsman. So all I had to do was, he was having a little contest in one of his videos. You had to find the plot hole and be the first one to comment where that plot hole was. And I just so happened to have my notifications on for his channel and be sitting right beside the computer when it came up. So lucky me, eh? Perfect. I didn't have to spend the money for one. Although they seem to be worth it so far. I can give you a way better opinion on it in a few months. You can pretty well take the Boreal21 wherever you go, you know, camping, backpacking, canoeing, off-trail hunting, trail clearing, you know, or just around the house. It opens in seconds, just to unfold, snaps into position, and start sawing. Automatic blade tensioning with no loose parts. It's compact, 21 inches, it's lightweight, it's only 17 ounces. No need to touch the blade while opening and closing. It's got a high clearance frame made out of aluminum. It's fully guaranteed from defects in materials or workmanship. That warranty doesn't extend to the saw blade, which is understandable. Keep this out of the reach of children. Wear gloves. Always wear your safe goggles, gloves. When you're storing it, always keep it in the store position so you're not ripping the stuff in your backpack or your canoe, whatever. Always follow the instructions that come with the Boreal21. Very important. Well, I hope you enjoyed the review of the Boreal21 from Agua Canyon. It's a pretty nice saw, I must say. If you want to see me using more of it, just hit that subscribe button. Give us some likes, some comments down below. So I'd like to thank everybody that has subscribed to the channel so far and left all the nice comments. It is greatly appreciated. They do help out a lot. They're very encouraging, some of them. So if you've ever used one of these saws before, let me know in the comments. If you own one of these, tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think of it. Tell me how it's lasted. And if you've had any different blades, how they work. I'm curious to know, because so far I like it. Just want to thank everyone for watching this video. That's it for this week. Thanks. If you haven't already, make sure you go hit that like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Small channel, hard to grow. So another thing I want to talk about, or I guess just another thing I want to get off my chest maybe is, you know, make sure you tell your loved ones that you love them, because you don't know when it's going to be the last time you're going to be able to tell them that you love them, or that they're going to be able to say I love you back. Things can change in an instant. if you're ever around somebody that's acting funny for no apparent reason. So what happened is my dad is in the hospital right now, and they can't really figure out what's wrong with him. He's been in there for 2 weeks. Well, he's had something wrong with him for 2 weeks, I guess. And he's just not himself anymore. I think he might have had a mini stroke, but nothing's coming back on the tests. So it's pretty difficult. You know, some of his symptoms, he was just talking a lot. Just talking and talking and talking and talking. Some of it would make sense, some of it wouldn't. You know? So we kept bringing him to the hospital and they couldn't find anything. They'd send him home. But finally, they seen the family doctor. Went and had an appointment with the family doctor, and she knows my dad. You know, it only took her a minute, and she said, "You better go to the hospital right now." And so far he's been to 3 different hospitals in the last 3 days, trying to figure out what's wrong. So hopefully he can pull through. Hopefully it's something minor, you know. Hopefully it's something that's fixable. Because it's awfully painful watching your dad turn into somebody else. And it wasn't very pleasurable. You know, he was always getting frustrated at everything he said. And getting mad. You know, it's not his fault, I understand that. So, make sure you tell your loved ones that you love them. Because he was fine at supper time, and wasn't fine later on at night. So, but I guess that's it for me for now. Just want to thank everybody for watching. You guys stay safe out there.